As I was explaining my business model to one attorney, he was impressed with the taking over debt model, but when I explained the AXE model, he was concerned that by stepping out of the middle, but collecting a fee, it might constitute being a finder, and California law forbids that.
Okay.
Of course he wants to see the forms, to be sure, i.e. collect a fee, but I would like to know if you have cleared the program in California.
I don't even know what that means, actually. Who would you clear it with exactly? And I'm only going to tell you what my attorney tells me, and I live in Florida. I make it very clear in my AXE program that you should check with your attorney before you determine whether you need a license or don't need a license. In my opinion, you do not, because you have a lease option agreement that you're the lessee on. You're a principal in that transaction. And you have every right to assign that agreement, and that's all you're doing in this case. Now, if you just put buyer and seller together and you don't have an agreement to purchase or to lease option it, then you absolutely are acting as a realtor without a license. This finder's fee thing is not the issue. It's the license versus non-license thing. It's the issue.
Follow for more.